Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinite Finance. Today I wanna talk about how to earn wiring city. There's so many curious things, but in this video I will tell you clearly how to late. Okay, so I have a very simple plan to get it. Okay, so I think you have here along there. It's a passive income. Okay, so passive income is our very best method to make money while you sleep. Okay, so in this video, I will clearly define passive income ideas, and how do we start our passive income, and all other things related to passive income. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is called our passive income in the world. Okay, so understanding passive income strategies for content 25. Okay, environment the global desert in the market at least 60 billion dollar and continues to grow. Okay, you know what? Present income market access is 60 billion dollar. Okay, and make money back for you love the other meat. Oh, so that's the it's young, your oldest channel then holds us a transistor to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, I want to talk about what is passive income. Okay, so passive income is money on the minimal all-weighing effort. Minimal all-weighing effort. Passive income is money on the minimal all-weighing effort. It is not that is not employment. Okay, I'm buying see or some very former strategy model. Passive income. A lifetime active income role 9 to 5 job, but this income is still what for you obviously. Okay, you know active income role 9 to 5 job, but passive income is still one you can do realistic. I think you understand what is passive income. Passive income is the email on where effort is not that is all involved. Okay, so here are some formal example of passive income. For example, rent and property loans. Okay, like you purchase the property or you get that property for rent. Okay, so you will easily get rent income monthly basis. Okay, so without any kind of effort. Okay, you do effort only one time and you will get money monthly basis without any other effort. Okay, so you can save yourself better in the economy. Okay, next, investment dividends. Okay, so you invest rent dividend like you live you invest in bird stocks. Okay, one time there after and doing investment in the stocks, you can easily get dividends from the companies. Okay, next digital product guarantees. Okay, if you get a digital product, okay, then you said that from this jump product can also you will get royalty on that product. Okay, and your marketing commissions. Okay, if you install a affiliate market, then we can see there's a passive income idea. Okay, because if you promote one or other one or more than one product, okay, so if you promote one time, but benefit your customer, your audience purchase some products or services of your link, you will get easily commissions at each and every time when they purchase something. Okay, so I think you understand these are they call and you yell at jobs or better in our ideas. Then poverty income investment evidence, digital market royalties, and your marketing commissions. I think you understood. Next, I'm going to talk about types of passive income. Okay, types of passive income. First of all, Create passive income. That is investment alone. Creating income means that like you build some products and then you license and your digital content you create walls and sell the material. Okay? Like you create the product for the design license. Okay? And you create digital content little bit with the raw. Okay? And you create once what sell the material. For example, ebooks and online courses you get one time and you sell them to BTT. And software mobile apps, okay, you get one time mobile software apps, but and you wait that you sell that will BTT and you will get more and more money to BTT, okay? And for the document that next, okay, I think run doesn't be the good humor. Product yet, you easily create and you easily get money to BTT. Result is in Caladium, here also. Okay? Next is investment income. You don't want money it's generated from assets you have purchased for invested. Okay? For example, dividend giving results. They call an idea. Next, you exchange properties. Okay? And that's peer-to-peer lending. So if you invest in these ideas, you can get in. You will get a passive income. So there are two types of passive income. First is creator, next is invested income. Okay? So next, I will talk about BS to create passive income. Okay? Like how to create a passive income. Because passive income is a very best idea to make money while you see it. Okay? So yeah, how to create a passive income. First of all, form the yourself is a very common idea. And it's just, well, so many people are creating content on online on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, okay? So you will also meet and other ideas also have like write books, compose music, create digital production, bundling or these. Okay? Next, like digital platforms, build apps, planning YouTube channels, get forecast for ad revenue and subscriptions. Okay? Marketing and licensing, start affiliate marketing campaigns, or license you invert web investors and ideas to companies. So when you understand these ideas, you will create easily and your investment from using these ideas. That content creation, digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and marketing and licensing. Okay, so I think you can do it. And passive income from investment. Passive income from investment. Here also some ideas so like the stock and dividends or something common idea, investment, okay, and after the last year, okay, you invest your money into invested or in stocks and dividends, so you will continue get passive income. Okay, so next I will not know humor examples. The humor examples, the examples are open and every style, okay? So yeah, content being us. Content being us. Large. Whatever money they are on, it's a testament from. The rules, they are working one time, but they will get money automatically the beginning. Okay? So yeah, YouTube creators on thousands monthly through averaging on videos 80 years end. That's poverty on us, albeit then north, electric right by banks that exceed mortgage and maintenance costs. Okay, authors and articles, writers and musicians receive royalty payments that return their Barcel or messages. Okay, these are the other examples they have, so you can easily follow them, okay? Next, I want to talk about these inconsequences. Okay, so I think if you start out passive income, okay, so there are some risks or considerations. So let's see. First of all, you to understand upfront requirement. Upfront requirement plus this time intensive different piece. That is The fact is, I think when you start art passive income firing. Okay, so then you do understand how much of time your book is spent. Okay, your book invest in that idea whatever you want to farm. Okay, next, initial every investment. Okay, like you will allow you to set out the league. All it is our investment. Okay, you need only a humanity and you can start how you look at it. Next, the kingdom of wind. Let even start up freelance. Let content his like then. That hobby writing, software designing, and templates, other things. So you need art skill. Okay, Benny. So for learning art skill, you need art engineer. Smart time. You need time and money also. Okay, so you understand what kind of present from you will start. First of working it 2000 time in the defect is a capital investment and the speed up made. So whatever you want, okay, whatever you choose, you then choose. Next, potential pitfalls. Potential pitfalls. First of all, it is there are investment losses. That's market fluctuations and regular changes. All will maintenance needs. All will maintenance needs. Okay, so you have to understand also these four aspects. Okay, but you start a passive income. Okay, potential pitfalls. First of all, passive investment process. Net market fluctuations, regular changes, and all will maintenance needs. Okay, so when you start, you will understand these four aspects. Next to that, you need a word in wide passive income offers freedom. It's important to understand importance in the outsides and before dining did. So right you understand to this consideration first of all your condition of a product violent and foreign pitfalls also. Next, I want to talk about how to get started. How to get started. And so very important is to the okay? Now let's start a passive income. So there are processes that study access your resources. Assess your resources. Okay. For example, evaluate your skill, invest valuable time in starting capital. Okay. If you involve no capital, you can start a YouTube channel and you can become an influencer and set down on you get ideas. Okay. So I share more than so I think when you start a passive income, you're doing understand these aspects. First of all, what is your skill, what is your interest, and how much of that you can spend on that that platform, what that of passive income growing root topic, and how much of character you had. You understand these aspects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 4 aspects. Okay, next. Okay, let's choose your art. Okay, but then should choose your path. For example, select a destination on this team that aligns with your studies and your assesses. Okay, you choose your path. Okay, you choose your honest, whatever you want to invert in that water, how much of time you can spend on that specific cup. Okay, you understand that you saw that passive investment there and that aligns with your study and your resources. Okay, next, you understand plan and attribute. Okay, create a detailed implement plan and invest time and money studying here. First, you choose assess your raw resources and choose a path. Then, make a plan and execute. Okay, so you get a begin and implement a request plan. Okay, in this time and money strategy for me. And the last, last and goal. Your master goal. Use initial earnings to expand your passive income portfolio and increase your dollars. Okay, use initial earnings to expand your passive income portfolio and increase your dollars. I think we can understand how to get started up passive income. First of all, we possess your forces. Then we choose your path. Then make a plan and execute. And at the last, and that's the movie. I think that if you understand how to automate why you see it. There's a big common idea. It is passive income idea. I've told you already more than passive income, passive income types, and how to stop or heal more examples also yeah. So if you have darbalsum, you can have in the current helps I did in your black every night key. So if you have all the autism, then also subscribe to Sir Buzi more videos like this. So see you on Antiprotein by Zoom.